Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will do some of the exercise in the workbook. Look at here, question number 1. Detail of the children of the school going on a trip to Mount Abu from Ahmedabad in the bus are given below and answer the following question on its basis. See, here is the information about the number of children which are going on trip, and here they are mentioned the standards, and we have to using this information we have to solve all this question. Here our first question is, how many children are going on a trip? So what you have to do, you have to do the total number of children over here. Here is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 2 carry 1, 3 plus 3 6, 4 10, 5 plus 5 10, 20 plus 21. So total number of students are 212. So our answer is 212. Number of students are going on a trip. Number 2, how many children will get seats if they are to be seated in 4 buses having 52 seats? Okay, so here number of buses are 4 and number of seats are 52 in one bus. Okay, so what will you do in that case? In that case, you will multiply this by number of buses. So you will get the idea. 208, which is number of student will get the seat. Here is a seat in one bus, and this is number of buses, and this is the number of student who get seats. Okay, then how many children will be left without seat? For that, what will you do? From the total number of student, you will subtract the number of student who got the seat. So here 212 minus 208 is equal to 4. Okay, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 students are remain left without seat. Let's move to the next question, number 3. How many children will get seats if they are to be seated in 6 buses having 35 seats? And how many children will left without seats? Okay, now here number of seats in one bus is 35 and number of buses are 6. So first of all, by doing the multiplication, we will get the answer 210. Which is the number of, which is the seats. So this much of seats in 6 buses. So 210 children will get the seat. But how many children will not left without seat? So number of children left without seats is equal to 212 minus 210 is equal to 2. Here number of students are 212. So we need 212 seats. So from the 212, we will subtract the number of student who got the seats. Okay, so यहाँ पर हमने 212 में से 210 को minus किया and we'll get the answer. Number 4, how many buses with 35 seats are needed if the number of children are 245 and all the children get seats? Okay, here instead of 212, we have to assume 245 children are going on trip. So number of seat in one bus is 35, then number of children is equal to this. So what you have to do, you have to divide 245 by 35. So we will get the answer 7. How? Because 35 sevens are 245. This way 7 5s are 35, carry 3. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 24. So we are getting exact 245. So 245 divided by 35 is equal to 7. So how many buses we needed? Okay, so we need 7 buses. Okay, now number 5, if bus does not stop anywhere, it will take 6 hours to go from Ahmedabad to Mount Abu. Mount Abu is about 230 kilometers far from Ahmedabad, and if it's 7 o'clock in the morning, then when will they reach Mount Abu? Okay, so here is a answer. We have to find out the timing to reach the Mount Abu. Okay, from Ahmedabad to Mount Abu. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? Here is Ahmedabad. Here is a Mount Abu. We will start journey at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, and we will reach at Mount Abu after 6 hours if we are not stop anywhere. Okay. अगर बीच में कहीं पे भी नहीं रुकते हैं तो 6 आवर्स में हम माउंट आबू पहुंच जाते हैं. Here is a 7 o'clock. In the 7 o'clock, we will add the 6 hours. So total is 30. So 37 के बाद 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1. So 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we will reach at Mount Abu. Understood? यहाँ पे देखो ये 24 hour clock में है, हम लेंगे तो 1 o'clock in the afternoon will become 30. So यहाँ पर हम assume करेंगे that is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Next, number 6. But the bus will stop in between at Palanpur. Palanpur is 445 kilometers from Ahmedabad. It will take 3 hours to reach there. So, if it is 7 o'clock now, when will they reach Palanpur? Okay, तो यहाँ पर 3 option है, before 9 o'clock, between 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock and after 11 o'clock. See, bus will stop in between at Palanpur. अहमदाबाद और माउंट आबू के बीच में कहीं पालनपुर है, वहाँ पे स्टॉप होती है. पालनपुर इज 145 किलोमीटर्स. वो कितना है? 145 किलोमीटर्स. तो अभी क्या करना है? इट विल टेक 3 आवर्स टू रिच देयर. तो यहाँ पे यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचने में 3 आवर्स लगेंगे. सो 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock एंड 10 o'clock. 10 बजे वो वहाँ पे पहुँचेंगे. So if it is 7 o'clock now, then will they reach when will they reach Palanpur? तो वो पालनपुर कब पहुंचेंगे? Between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. We cannot say that we will reach at Palanpur exact 10 o'clock because the distance is about 145. See, here total distance from Ahmedabad to Mount Abu is 230. So half of the distance is 115. So यहाँ पर क्या है? 10 o'clock को हम exactly यहाँ पे पहुँच सकते हैं. But it is about 145. So it is between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So that would be your answer. देखो 145 इससे बड़ा है. So obviously 10 o'clock को हम यहाँ पे पहुँचेंगे तो यहाँ पहुँचने में 145 किलोमीटर तक पहुँचने में हमें 10 o'clock से ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. So your answer is between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Now number 7. Number 7 is a 345 meter long bridge comes while passing through the road. The river is flowing under the bridge. Then what will be the width of the river? Okay, देखो ये river हमारा ऐसे जाता है और bridge यहाँ पे ऐसे construct होता है, right? Across ऐसे. So ये जो bridge की length है वही होगी width of the river. The length of the bridge is equal to width of the river. So length is 345 meter. तो ये होगा हमारे river का width. Now number 8. Also, if bus is 5 meter long, then how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge? तो ये bus है वो 5 मीटर लंबी है. So then how many buses can stand in a line in this bridge? तो ये bridge पे कितनी buses खड़ी रह सकती है? तो first of all we'll mention the length of the bus is this and the length of the bridge is this. So what will you do? You will divide this number by the length of the bus. Okay, you will divide the length of the bridge by the length of the bus. So you will get the answer 69 bus. How? See, 5 6 are 35, 4 and bring down 5, 5 9s are 45. So we get the 69 buses in a line. Next, number 9, A. The water level is 36 meter below the bridge. But in the rainy season, this level is only 17 meters below the bridge. Then, what is the difference between the water level in the rainy season and now? So, here rainy season से पहले कितना होता है? पानी 36 मीटर नीचे होता है, इतना नीचे. फिर रेनी सीजन में वो इतना ऊपर आ जाता है. राइज मतलब ऊपर आना, राइज होना, बढ़ना. उसका पानी का जो लेवल है वो बढ़ जाता है एंड इट कम्स एट 17 मीटर. वो ब्रिज से 17 मीटर ही नीचे होता है. रेनी सीजन में ब्रिज से वो 36 मीटर नीचे होता है. सो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वाटर लेवल इन द रेनी सीजन एंड नाउ is that 36 meter minus 17. So 6 minus 7 not possible. So you will take borrow. Here is 16 and 3 before 2. So 16 minus 7 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference is 19 meter. Question number B. If it rains much and the water level is only 8 meter below them, what will be the difference? Okay, here is the water level below the 8 meter. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? रेन और ज़्यादा हुई और वाटर लेवल और बढ़ गया, रेज हो गया and it will come at 8 meter. So water level is water is below the 8 meter of the bridge. So the difference is 36 meter minus 8 meter. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 16 minus 8, 8 and 2 minus 0, 2. So that will be the answer. The difference is 28 meter. Now number 10, bus stop at the petrol pump to fill the diesel. If it takes 6 minutes to fill the diesel in one bus, then how much time will take to fill the diesel in 5 buses? So here that's a simple multiplication sum. See, यहाँ पर क्या एक बस के लिए 6 मिनट है, तो 5 बसेस के लिए कितना है? तो 6 5 are 30 minutes. It will take 30 minutes. Time taken by one bus to fill by diesel is equal to 66 minutes. Then time taken by the 5 buses to fill the diesel is equal to 30 minutes. Turn your page. On the next page, you will get the question number 11. If the rate of the diesel is rupees 65 per liter, then how much rupees should be paid to fill 100 liters of diesel in one bus? Okay, the rate of 1 liter of diesel is 65 rupees 65, then rate of 100 liters of diesel is equal to question mark. So what will you do for that? You will do the simply multiplication. 65 multiplied by 100. So you will get the answer rupees 6,500. That would be your answer. Next is number 12. What amount should be paid in all for filling 50-50 liter of diesel in remaining 4 buses? ओके, एक बाकी के 4 बसेस में हमें कितना डीजल फिल करना है? 50-50 लीटर्स. 100 लीटर कंप्लीट नहीं करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द रेट फॉर द 50 लीटर ऑफ डीजल. So rate of 1 liter of diesel is rupees 65. Then rate of 50 liter of diesel is equal to question mark. Simply do the multiplication and we will get the answer 3250. See how. यहाँ पे देखो जीरो को हम पहले ओमिट करते हैं. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32 and put the 0 which we have covered. So your answer is 3250. Now cost for 4 buses. एक बस का इतना कॉस्ट है तो 4 बस का कितना? तो दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. So you will get the answer 13,000. How? 0, 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 0, carry 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 30. So here we'll get the answer 13,000. Now number 13, all of them reach Palampur at 10 o'clock. There they went to a 100 years old place in which wall painting of 48 cows, 62 buffaloes, 73 deers and 9 tigers were drawn. Then count all the wall painting of how many animals were there altogether. मतलब टोटल करना है सबका। तो देखो यहाँ पे सबका एडिशन करो एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर 192. See, now number 8, was the number of animal more or less than 200 and how many more or less? So here the number of animal is 192, which is definitely less than 200. From the 200 you will subtract 192. So you will get the answer 10. Here is 0 में से 2 नहीं जाएगा. So we'll take borrow, cut and cut. जब तक एक नंबर नहीं आता है तब तक. So 2 cut, 2 before 1, 9 and 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 9, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Number 14, 2 hours have been passed in this place. Then what time is it now? तो एग्जैक्टली हम ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे 10 बजे हम पहुँच गए थे और 2 आवर्स पास हो गए. सो कितना टाइम होगा वहाँ पे? 12 o'clock. ओके, सो हियर इज आवर्स एंड हियर इज अ मिनट एंड वैसे ही हम एडिशन करके ये टाइम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Now number 15, thereafter bus stopped on the way between Palanpur to Mount Abu for having breakfast. Each child was given 1 apple, 2 bananas, 3 biscuits and 4 chocolates. Out of that, 42 children did not take biscuit. Then total how many items were distributed among how many children? ओके, हियर पहले तो हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन 212. वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड बिफोर. नाउ एप्पल एक दिया है तो 212 चिल्ड्रन को 212 एप्पल्स दिए. बनाना कितने दिए हैं? 2 बनानास. तो बनानास हमने मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 कर लिया विद द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, तो हमें मिल गया 424. देखो हॉरिजॉन्टली ऐसे करते हैं 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. चॉकलेट्स कितने दिए? चॉकलेट्स 4 दिए हैं. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 4, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स बाय 4. तो हमें मिलेगी नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. बिस्किट्स कितने दिए? 3 बिस्किट्स दिए. तो उसको भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 212 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यू विल गेट द आंसर 636. लेकिन उसमें से क्या है? 42 चिल्ड्रन डिड नॉट टेक बिस्किट. 42 स्टूडेंट्स ने बिस्किट्स नहीं दिए. तो व्हाट विल यू डू? आप ये करोगे this much. You have to subtract 42 from the 212, so you will get the answer 170. Only this much of student will get the biscuit. So 170 multiplied by 3 because 3 biscuits were given. So 170 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by 0, 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So 510 biscuits were given. So इतनी चीजें बच्चों को दी है for the breakfast. Okay, on the next page, number 16, you will get the question. While having breakfast, children start asking puzzles to each other. Breakfast करते करते वो एक दूसरे को क्या पूछने लगे? Puzzles. So number A, I gave 5 chocolates each of 6 of my friends and chocolate were left with me. So I gave 5 chocolates each of 6 of my friends and 3 chocolates are left with me. How many chocolates did I have? So number of friends are 6, number of chocolate to each friend is equal to 5. Okay, so 6 5s are 30. तो total 30 chocolates दी. मेरे पास 6 फ्रेंड है और 6 को मैंने 5 चॉकलेट दी है. सो टोटल 30 चॉकलेट ये हुआ एंड 3 चॉकलेट्स रिमेन्स, मतलब 3 चॉकलेट बच गई है. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट इज 30 प्लस 3. सो 33 चॉकलेट. ये दी हुई चॉकलेट और बची हुई चॉकलेट को हम ऐड करेंगे. सो विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट विच इज विथ मी बिफोर गिवन. So here next is number B. How many 3-digit number can you make using 2, 6 and 9 digit? Which is the smallest and the greatest number in that? सबसे छोटा वाला नंबर कौन सा है, सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर कौन सा है, वो आपको बताना है. So smallest number is 269 and greatest number is 962. For that what will you do? You have to arrange the digit in ascending order. कोई भी सारे digit को आप ascending order में arrange करोगे तो वो smallest बन जाएगा, and descending order में arrange करोगे तो greatest number बन जाता है. Now you have to write down the possible number of numbers using this 3 digit. तो आपको क्या करना है? You are just going to interchange the digit like this. 269, फिर मैंने 9 और 6 को किया, देखो 9 6 2, फिर 6 9 2 and 6 2 9. So these are the possible number जहाँ पे मैंने सारे डिजिट्स को इंटरचेंज कर दिया है. ठीक है. Next is number C. A number becomes double if it is increased by 5. What is the number? Okay, कोई एक नंबर है जिसको आप 5 में ऐड करोगे तो वो जो नंबर आप ऐड कर रहे हो उसका डबल होता है. तो 5 के अंदर मैं 5 ऐड करूँ तो जो मुझे आंसर मिलेगा ये that answer is double of this. Okay, so your answer is 5. Now number D, think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and comes between 50 and 60. See, here is the number 60 divided by 2, 30, 60 divided by 3, 20, 60 divided by 4, 15, 60 divided by 5, 12, and 60 divided by 6 is 10. So that is the number which is divisible by this number. Fine. Now next is number E. A small ant climbed 4 centimeter in 1 minute but slipped down 3 centimeters. Then how much time it will take to climb the 4 centimeter? देखो हर बार वो चढ़ती है 4 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आ जाती है, फिर से ऊपर जाएगी 4 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आ जाएगी, फिर से ऊपर जाएगी 1 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आ जाएगी, और फिर से 1 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर 4 सेंटीमीटर अप जाएगी, 3 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आ जाएगी. सो इट विल टेक, यहाँ तक पहुँचने में उसको कितने मिनट्स लगेंगी? 4 मिनट्स.